For almost every application, it is challenging to transfer signals from one component to another while maintaining adequate signal integrity. Adding complex and dynamic signal paths requires flexible platform for adapting to many environments and applications. Basic passive microwave components have a vital role in microwave system design. Despite the apparent simplicity of their functions, their performance is based on electromagnetic theory and Maxwell's equations for insight into their operating principles and performance. The coaxial cable is the microwave passive device which is discussed in Module 2 of the Microwave and Antennas course. Coaxial cable is a type of electrical cable consisting of an inner conductor surrounded by a concentric conducting shield with the two separated by a dielectric. Many coaxial cables also have a protective outer jacket. The term coaxial refers to the inner conductor and the outer shield sharing a geometric axis. Coaxial cable is a type of transmission line used to carry high frequency electrical signals with low losses. The dimensions of the cable and connectors are controlled to give a precise, constant conductor spacing which is needed for it to function efficiently as a transmission line. Transverse electromagnetic mode is propagated through the coaxial line and the outer conductor guides these signals in the dielectric space between itself and inner conductor. The outer conductor also acts as a shield to prevent the external signals to interface with the internal signal. It also prevents the internal signal leakage. The coaxial cables usually possess characteristic impedance of either 50 ohms or 75 ohms. Coaxial cable is used as a transmission line for radio frequency signals. Its applications include feed lines connecting radio transmitters and receivers to their antennas, computer network, and distribution of cable television signals. One advantage of coaxial over other types of radio transmission line is that in an ideal coaxial cable, the electromagnetic field carrying the signal exists only in the space between the inner and outer conductors. This allows coaxial cable runs to be installed next to metal objects such as gutters without the power losses that occur in other type of transmission lines. Coaxial cable also provides protection of the signal from external electromagnetic interference. In radio frequency systems where the cable length is comparable to the wavelength of the signals transmitted, a uniform cable characteristic impedance is important to minimize loss. The characteristic impedance of the cable is determined by the dielectric constant of the inner insulator and the radius of the inner and outer conductors. The source and load impedances are chosen to match the impedance of the cable to ensure maximum power transfer and minimum standing wave ratio. Other important properties of coaxial cable include attenuation as a function of frequency, voltage handling capability, and shield quality. There are three types of coaxial cables: flexible, semi rigid, and rigid coaxial cable. Firstly, flexible coaxial cable. Flexible coaxial cable consists of a metal inner conductor, a flexible plastic polymer dielectric tube surrounding it, a braided conducting metal shield around the dielectric, and finally a jacket to protect the interior from environmental damage such as moisture, puncture, etc. For extreme flexibility, a standard copper central conductor is used with a surrounding electric tubing. of polythene foam that is then surrounded by an aluminum tape outer conductor combined with a tinned copper braided shield. When less flexibility is needed, solid wire or copper tubing is used as the inner conductor. One of the disadvantages of highly flexible coaxial cable is the use of a braided shield that is not a smooth surface, and bending causes variations in the actual electrical characteristics of the cable. The flexible coaxial cables are ideal for high-speed data and video applications that require flexibility, high and low temperature resistance, and protection from very rugged environments. This type of coaxial cables leads lower electrical performance when compared to the semi-rigid and formable cables but offers lower cost. Semi-rigid coaxial cables make use of thin outer conductor made of copper and a strong inner conductor also made of copper. The region between the inner and outer conductor contains a solid dielectric. These cables can bend for convenient routing and are not as flexible as the flexible coaxial cable. The semi-rigid coaxial cable design providing the best electrical performance consists of a central conductor supported by a solid dielectric spline placed longitudinally inside a solid metal tube. These spline cables are fully ventable, and when mated to vented connectors, they can be filled with air, other gases, or operate in a vacuum as in spacecraft. They are expensive and require special care to bend and install. They can be cut, stripped, and formed by hand. However, they are not intended for repeated bending. Rigid coaxial cable is formed by two copper tubes supported at cable ends and at meter intervals with spline cable supports, and cannot be bent and requires specially constructed elbows. The structure of a rigid coaxial cable consists of inner and outer conductor with air as dielectric. To support the inner conductor at the center, dielectric spaces are introduced at regular intervals as shown. The thickness of these dielectric spaces is made small so that they do not produce significant discontinuities to the wave propagation. Rigid line coaxial cable is mainly used indoors for high power connections between RF components in TV and FM broadcasting systems, although the rigid line cables are used in antenna. Electric and magnetic fields outside the cable are largely kept from interfering with signals inside the cable if unequal currents are filtered out at the receiving end of the line. This property makes coaxial cable a good choice both for carrying weak signals that cannot tolerate interference from the environment and for stronger electrical signals that must not be allowed to radiate or couple into adjacent structures or circuits. Coaxial cable design choices affect physical size, frequency performance, attenuation, power handling capabilities, flexibility, strength, and cost. The advantage of coaxial design is that with differential mode, equal push-pull currents on the inner conductor and inside of the outer conductor, the signal's electric and magnetic fields, as I told before, are restricted to the dielectric with a little leakage outside the shield. Common applications of coaxial cable include video and cable TV distribution, RF and microwave transmission, and computer and instrumentation data connections.